Just to quickly show you the Sudocrem squeezies that we're trying out now, because we have the big tubs which are perfect for just in the bathroom all the time. Then we've got the little round ones with the screw-on lids, and they're really good for on the go when you want to put a lot on. But we wanted to try these just to keep in the bags for travel, because they're a good travel size. They're only 30 grams, so you can keep them in your hand luggage, keep them in your handbag, that kind of thing. Side of your go bag, all that sort of stuff. We don't have kids. We just like this because it fixes pretty much all of our skin issues that we ever have. I suffer with dry skin quite a lot on my hands and my feet. At the moment, I've got a particularly bad outbreak here, so I'm going to be putting some of that on it tonight. But if I get cracked skin on my feet, it does a really good job of healing it pretty much within a day or so. I've used this on blemishes and acne and all those things as well. Anything skin related, it seems to do the trick. I've not come across anything that it hasn't. It's just really fantastic at healing skin. So you've got your squeezy there, so it's a nice and easy. Let's check out, give it a good squeeze. And there it comes out. I think this is going to be really good if you don't want to stick your finger in a pot and you only want to get a measured amount. This is nice and small, so this is perfect for very small blemishes and very small cuts and things like that to give them a good heal. I'm going to be popping it around my finger, and I just know in a couple of days this is all going to be healed. Absolutely fabulous. So if you've never ever used Sudocrem, I just recommend getting a small one, trying it out. You will not be disappointed. It is so good at healing skin. I've never seen anything like it. And I've never tried anything else because I don't want to, because this does an amazing job. So yeah, definitely recommend Sudocrem as a brand. Pick one that suits your needs. The big tub, if you've got, particularly if you've got kids with like nappy rash and things like that. And the smaller ones more for more cosmetic and personal use, and also again, perfect for travel.